Are sync contacts not working properly on the Picsart app? If your contacts aren't syncing, contacts aren't appearing, or the sync contacts option isn't working as expected, these tips may help. In this video, I will show you how to fix sync contacts on Picsart app. The first thing you have to do is to go to Picsart, as you see. Then in this page, you will go to the sign of profile. Here we move to settings. After that, in this page, you will find here contacts synced, and you will tap here to sync your contacts, and you will click OK, as you see here, to sync your contacts on Picsart app. So this is how it works. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching.